Firstly, let's recall that if we've got a binomial coefficient written in this form, where n and k, it would be n and the factorial of k factorial n minus k in brackets with a factorial. In this instance, n equals 1 and k equals 0. So this, put into here, would be 1 factorial over 0 factorial, 1 minus 0 factorial. So then this would be, we know that 1 factorial is 1, 0 factorial is 1. I'm going to put a video up, I think tomorrow, on why, like the proof of this. 1 minus 0 factorial is 1 factorial, which is 1. So therefore, this would be 1 over 1 times 1, which is 1. So now let's do 4 over 3. We're going to plug it into here. So you're going to get 4 factorial over 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 factorial. So we know that 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. And 4 minus 3 factorial is 1 factorial, which is 1. So you're going to get 24 over 6 times 1, which is 24 over 6, which equals 4.